driver, which I'm going to be using. And so let's take it out and let's see. So I need to get this out. And so let's see. I'm going to take this out. So I already started to take it out earlier today. So okay, so I think this is, no, I need it a bit smaller. Here, I think this one might work. No, too small. Let's see if that one works. Okay. Okay, so this is too small. It's 7. Eight. There. There we go. Okay, that is taking way too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this piece, put it in the top. It looks kind of like a spear. So put that down right here, and then we're gonna use the electric. We're gonna use the electric screwdriver. So I'll have to take this piece out, which we use normally, and I'm gonna put in this piece.
Where's Corbin?
Down here.
What's he doing?
I'm filming a YouTube video.
What?
I'm filming a YouTube video.
Why are you cleaning up down there?
I will. So. Oh, alright. There. So, guys, Happy New Year. I've been trying to keep up to my New Year's resolution. It's kind of been working out for me. Oh crap. There. Oh crap. I'm gonna need that later on, but okay. So, now we're gonna take this off. One second, guys. So, this is just a glimpse of what my basement looks like. It's kind of messy right now. So, this is the workspace that I'm using right now. It's, again, a little bit messy, but okay. It's working. So, we're gonna use a flathead to get a shell off. Kind of like a shell. I have to use my fingers first, but then I can use it. Oh, come on. Oh, that's why. I have a screw missing. That's why. There we go. Okay, and So, oh, there are some wires that I need to take off. But before I do that, guys, this is what it looks like on the inside. I need to, let's go and get some better lighting. That's what I've taken apart right now. This is what it looks like, what I've taken apart. So, see those two wires right down there? I'm going to have to take those off. And then there are some tiny screws, just super tiny, right? One's right there. And we're going to take it all apart. It's kind of dark over here, but I hope it works. So, we'll toss that over there. There. So, oh crap. Okay, so there. Don't think that works, so let's try a bigger one. This is 5, so let's try a 6. Or no, that's a 4. Six. Oh, ooh, that's actually pretty. That's a nice fit. There's one tiny screw. Oh crap. If you guys can see it, it's like right there in the palm of my hand. There. Yeah, it's kind of dumb. I'm using this as a light. Okay. Yeah! Oh crap. Okay, so, crap. One second. Dad, I'm taking apart the, I'm taking apart the tom-tom. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I went up to talk to my dad. So, let's see what is under here. Oh, wait. Guys, there's something holding it together. Like this metal piece in there is holding it together, and I can't get it. So it's either I break it and we never use it again, or we put it back together. So tell me in the comments section below. I will film another video of me after I read all the comments on this video. So, bye.